welcome back to Life on Lee Lane. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're doing... Wait, what are we doing, Dad?
Oh, I don't know. I thought he had the video planned.
No.
Well then, I guess we're gonna be trying to figure out some sounds. Are you guys ready for a Guess the Sound challenge?
Yeah!
For this challenge, we're splitting the kids up into two teams. Jay's
Jordan and Jaxon.
against the K's.
Kaden and Kenzie.
And Griffin's a little preoccupied.
Griffin, what you doing?
He's playing on a tablet.
Yeah, he's busy right there. Each team will get a small chalkboard with some chalk. Leslie and I will take turns playing different sound effects, and the kids are gonna have a few seconds to discuss what they think the sound effect is, write it down on the chalkboard, and if they get the answer right, that's a point for their team. After we've gone through all the sound effects, whichever team has the most points is the winner of the Guess the Sound challenge.
Okay, both teams have their chalkboards. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay guys, we're about ready to play the first sound. After you hear the first sound, you'll have a few seconds, maybe like 15 seconds or so, to kind of talk and discuss what you think the sound is. Write it on there, and then show me, okay?
Okay.
And if you get it right, we'll give you a point for it. Okay guys, here is the first sound. Okay, do you guys have it?
Yeah!
Okay, Team K, what do you think that sound was?
A balloon losing air.
Nice. What
Okay.
do you guys think?
Whoopee cushion.
Those are both really good guesses, and one of you got it right, and it was Team K!
No!
A balloon letting air out.
Good job.
Okay guys, sound number 2.
Hey, he broke the chalk.
Uh-oh, that's an automatic forfeit. You guys are done? No.
Not funny.
You guys done?
Yep.
Okay, let's see if any of you guys got this right. Team K, show us what you got.
Water dripping.
Okay, that's a good guess. Team J.
A drop of water dropping.
Okay, so you guys both guessed the same thing. And it actually was not water dropping.
What?
It was a cork being pulled out of a bottle.
What?
That was a water dropping. So after 2 sounds, we have Team K with 1 point, and Team J isn't on the board yet, but we'll see if they can get a point on this next one. Raise your hand if you're ready. Jaxon, you not too sure? Okay, I think you guys are gonna get this one.
Oh, man.
Do you want me to play it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
I might have stumped you guys with this one. Do you guys have it? Team K?
No.
Okay, let's hold on for a sec. Looks like Jordan and Jaxon are still discussing, trying to figure it out.
This might take a long time.
Okay, it looks like Team J has an answer. We'll start with them first. Show us what you got.
A dog breathing hard.
Oh, that's a good guess.
Okay, Team K.
Punching.
Punching?
Punching. It's actually somebody erasing something really hard.
Huh.
Yep. Using a pencil eraser really hard on a piece of paper. Okay, the score's still the same. 1-0. Team K in the lead.
Fine.
Teams, erase your boards.
Already did.
We already did.
You guys are always ahead of me. Okay, this next sound is going to be a bit tricky because I know what you're going to think when you hear it. You're going to think it's something other than what it actually is, okay?
Okay.
So you might not want to put the first thought that comes to mind. And those of you watching, I'm interested to see if you can get this one, okay? Here it is. It kind of sounds like somebody going to the bathroom. That's not what it is. Just a hint there.
No, no.
That was the first thing I thought when I heard it, but it's not someone going to the bathroom.
To be.
You guys already have it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Almost.
Got it.
Yes. Noise.
Okay.
Noise.
Show us your answers.
Water pouring.
Nice.
A hose running water outdoors.
Nice.
Wow. Both good guesses, but neither one's right.
What? What?
It's pouring soda into a can.
Come on.
But, I mean, it is hard to tell from the sound of pouring if it's water or soda.
Why would you pour soda into a can?
Soda already comes in a can, huh? Unless you buy it in a bottle and you're just want it in a can.
Well,
Doesn't make much sense, but...
We refill my can.
What do you think, Les? Should we give them a point?
We did kind of
Because,
get
I mean, it's not like they would have known it's soda.
it. What?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, okay, another point. What?
Yeah.
Wait, we didn't, you're not even giving us any points. Because you're not getting it.
You guys have to get it right.
Well.
Or at least close to right like they did. They didn't get it exactly right, but they were on the right track. You wouldn't be able to tell what kind of liquid that was.
I would rather cry.
Dad,
Don't
you're
cry,
breaking his heart.
Don't cry, because then I'll look like a bad person. You can't make me look like that.
I can.
Okay, you guys all erased and ready to go?
Yep.
Here is the next sound. See if Team J can get on the board. That was a long one.
Hey! No looking at ours.
Okay, if you have your answer, go ahead and show it to the camera.
Hail falling. Popcorn popping.
Oh, both good, but
Sounds like a rainstorm.
both of you got it wrong.
What? What is it? I hope we're close.
It's a raging fire.
That does not sound like a fire.
It sounded like a fireplace, like a fire pit, you know, a fire going.
Play it again.
Okay, I'll play it one more time. Listen.
I hear it.
I hear it. It's fire. It kind of sounds like if popcorn's
fire.
popping.
Gosh, so we're still 2-0. Okay, maybe I'll give you guys a hint on this next one.
Okay.
You guys want a hint?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen very carefully, and then I will give you the hint afterwards, because you guys might know what it is without a hint, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Something falling, right? Did you hear it kind of...
Yeah.
I'll play it one more time. It's something we have in the front yard. that will fall down.
Do you know what it is, sweetie?
Okay, if you have it, go ahead and reveal your answers.
Tree falling.
And that is incorrect.
What?
It's a small tree falling.
Jeez.
No, you guys both got it right. It's a tree falling.
He's just teasing
It was a small tree falling. You could tell by the sound. But we're not going to be that technical. We don't play like
If
that.
you put tree, it could be any size, so yeah, we got it right.
But something exciting happened. Team J finally got on the board.
Yeah!
Okay, guys, we are down to the final 3 sounds.
What?
The score is 3-1, which means you guys would have to get all 3 right, with them getting no more right in order to win. Okay? So you got to really think about these last 3, okay? Down to the final stretch. Here we go.
One more time.
It's for a certain animal. Kenzie, you're on the right track. You said the right thing, but it's for an animal. Okay, after having some time to discuss, let's see what you came up with.
Squeaky toy.
A squeaky toy for a dog.
And you're both correct. It was a squeaky toy. Specifically for a dog, but squeaky toy, we're going to take that one.
Hey, Dad. Maybe you shouldn't walk away because somebody likes your spot.
Oh.
Anywhere I sit is the cool spot to sit. I can sit there and it's the cool spot. If I sit here, then it's the cool spot after I sit there.
Once Derek gets up and moves, the kids run and sit in his seat.
They do. It's a little game we play. Okay, we're to the final 2 sounds. And here we go.
Do that again.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Air spraying.
Water spring.
Air versus water. And it is air spraying. Nice.
Is it tied?
No.
It's not. Team K is still in the lead. 3-2.
Ooh.
But we are on our final sound now. And Team J can tie this up if Team K doesn't get it right. In that case, if that happens, we'll do a sudden death round. You all erased, all clear, all ready to go?
Yeah.
Here's the final sound. Listen carefully. This could determine the game.
Do that.
I'll give you a hint. It involves popping something with your fingers. Okay, let's see your final answers.
Popping your
fingers.
fingers.
Those are both really good guesses, and I think my hint probably wasn't very good because based off of the hint I gave, I would have put the same thing. Popping your fingers, if it's something you pop with your fingers. But it's
Like
actually
this.
bubble wrap. So you know how people will pop the bubbles on bubble wrap? You guys like to do it. But with that round, with neither team getting it right, that ends the game because that gives Team K the 1-point lead still.
Yeah.
You
So-
guys won!
So Team K, you guys are the winners of the Guess the Sound Challenge.
Yes! Yes!
But hey, you guys all did a really good job because some of those were pretty tough. If I didn't know what they were, I don't know if I could have guessed some of the ones right that they did. So
Good job, guys. Jaxon,
Mm-hmm.
what's with the toes popping out of your socks?
Hole.
That's a constant theme at our house.
We had a lot of fun and we hope you did too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.